You got that? I get this. Jen, follow me. Follow the sound that was coming out of my mouth.
Go that way. Oh, alright.
Oh, sir.
Only reiterating what the officer says. Before I go out of this port, you won't be going cruising. Oh my God.
You needed to skid and tell her. It's like, well, what are we waiting on? We had to sit in line for like an hour.
Don't do that.
Look at her.